Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss about how to practice Sarvangasana and what are its mysterious benefits. So friends, let's get started. Sarvangasana means the all members pose. This is a mysterious asana which gives wonderful benefits. This is termed all members pose because all the parts of the body are engaged when this asana is performed. Technique: spread a thick blanket on the floor and practice this asana over the blanket. Lie on the blanket quite flat. Slowly raise the legs. Lift the trunk, hips and legs quite vertically. Support the back with two hands, one on each side. Rest the elbows on the ground. Press the chin against the chest and form a chin lock firmly. Chalandhara Bandha. Allow the back, shoulder portion and neck to touch the ground closely. Do not allow the body to shake or move to and fro. Keep the legs straight. When the asana is over, bring the legs down very slowly with elegance and not with any jerks. Do the asana very gracefully. In this asana, the whole weight of the body is thrown on the shoulders. You really stand on the shoulders with the help and support of the elbows. Concentrate on the thyroid gland, which lies on the front lower part of the neck. Retain the breath as long as you can do with comfort and slowly exhale through the nose. You can do this asana daily twice, morning and evening. This should immediately be followed by Matsyasana, the fish posture. This will relieve pains in the back part of the neck and intensify the usefulness of Sarvangasana. Practice this asana for 2 minutes in the beginning and gradually increase it to half an hour. Benefits. Let's discuss about the benefits of Sarvangasana. In this asana, the thyroid gland is nourished properly, which plays a prominent part in the metabolism, growth, nutrition and structure. Healthy thyroid means healthy function of the circulatory, respiratory, alimentary, genitourinary and nervous systems of the body. This thyroid operates in conjunction with other ductless glands, pituitary, pineal in the brain, suprarenal, above the kidneys, liver, spleen and testes. If this thyroid is diseased, all the other glands suffer. A vicious circle is formed. Sarvangasana keeps a healthy thyroid. Healthy thyroid means healthy functioning of all the organs of the body. It supplies a large quantity of blood to the spinal roots of nerves. It is this asana which centralizes the blood in the spinal column and nourishes beautifully. But for this asana, there is no scope for these nerve roots to draw sufficient blood supply. It keeps the spine quite elastic. Elasticity of the spine means everlasting youth. It prevents the bone from early ossification, hardening. So you will preserve and retain your youth for a long time. This asana destroys the ravages of old age. It helps a lot in maintaining brahmacharya. Like Sirsasana, it makes you an Urdhvareto yogi. It checks wet dreams effectively. It acts as a powerful blood tonic and purifier. It tones the nerves. It is a cheap, readily available blood, nervine and digestive tonic. It is at your disposal at all times. It will save your doctor's bills. When you have not much time to practice a course of asanas, do this without fail daily along with Sirsasana and Paschimottanasana. It is useful in gonorrhea and other diseases of bladder and ovaries. It removes sterility and diseases of womb. Ladies also can practice this asana with safety. Sarvangasana awakens Kundalini and augments Jatarangi, the digestive fire. It removes dyspepsia, constipation, and other gastrointestinal disorders of a chronic nature. It energizes, invigorates, and vivifies. So friends, in this video we have discussed clearly how to practice Sarvangasana and what are its mysterious benefits. So friends, practice this Sarvangasana daily and derive its maximum benefits. So friend, if you like this video, if this video is useful to you, then please do like it and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Friends, we will meet again in another video in a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.